Affiliate marketing looks simple. Share a link, earn a commission. But here's the truth. In the US South market, brands are hiding secrets that could be draining your profits. Today, I'm exposing 3 powerful truths they don't want you to know. First, commission structures aren't equal. Many US South brands quietly give higher rates to affiliates who negotiate or prove performance. If you were just accepting the default rate, you are leaving serious money behind. Always ask for better terms. Second, cookie durations matter. Some American brands set cookies to expire in 24 hours, while others last 30 or even 90 days. That difference can mean hundreds of dollars lost if your audience doesn't buy right away. Always check cookie policies before promoting. Third, exclusive offers exist. Top affiliates in the USA get private discount codes, bonuses, and perks that regular affiliates never see. Brands won't tell you. This you have to ask. Those exclusive deals can skyrocket your conversions.